Hey, it's Nate from Auto. We just rolled out a big website update and I want to show you the things we changed. The first thing you'll notice is that we refreshed the design to help give you a better product experience. There's vehicles on the left with customer workflows and settings. We'll soon be adding in other tools here as well. On the vehicles page, you can select from the recently accessed vehicles, or you can search for a specific customer's vehicle by name. Once you're on this page, you'll be able to see our familiar vehicle maintenance recommendations, the service history for the vehicle, and the attributes. On the left, if we click on the customer workflows, we'll be brought to this functionality that used to only exist on the extension. This is our customer concern tool for getting better information from your customers. We also have the settings here on the left for editing things like your maintenance intervals, customer workflows, profitability goals, and more. If you want to change which shop you're in right now, you can click this. Or if you want to edit your user settings, you can go up here, click on your avatar, and then from there you can change your profile, notifications, and get support. I hope you guys like this new update, and please let us know if you have any feedback.